The brain is a sophisticated organ that manages every bodily function, as well as thought, memory, emotion, touch, motor skills, vision, respiration, temperature, and hunger. The central nervous system, or CNS, is made up of the spinal cord that emerges from the brain. The brain is around 60% fat and weighs about 3 pounds in a typical adult. Combinations of water, protein, carbs, and salts make up the remaining 40%. The brain is not a muscle in and of itself. It is made up of nerves, blood vessels, neurons, and glial cells. In this video, we will be looking into the question, is the brain a muscle? Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. Is the brain a muscle? Muscles differ greatly from organs in many respects, even though the brain is an organ. They perform vastly diverse roles, although having certain similarities, such as how they both use energy. The body's power plant is its muscles. They are the driving force behind all of our physical activity and are what keep us alive and moving. Organs perform a specific purpose in our bodies, making them distinct from muscles. The body receives air through your lungs, kidneys remove waste items from the blood, and the heart pumps blood. The brain functions more like an engine than a control panel. It enables you to think, experience emotions, and retain memories, basically everything that makes you a human being. The brain communicates with the rest of the body via electrical and chemical impulses. Your brain interprets each signal, which controls a distinct process. For instance, some make you feel worn out while others make you uncomfortable. Some messages are stored in the brain, while others are transmitted to distant extremities by way of the spine and the extensive network of nerves in the body. The central nervous system uses billions of neurons to accomplish this. Nerve cells. Brain anatomy and function. 1. Cerebrum. The main component of the brain, the cerebrum, is situated in the front. It is split into 2 hemispheres or halves, and the inner hemispheric fissure is the ridge separating them. The 4 sections that make up each hemisphere are known as lobes. Each lobe is in charge of a variety of tasks, including speech, memory, intelligence, processing of sensory information, and voluntary movement. 2. Cerebellum. The cerebellum, sometimes known as the little brain, is a fist-sized section of the brain situated in the rear of the head, above the brainstem, and below the temporal and occipital lobes. It features 2 hemispheres, just like the cerebral cortex. The inner region connects with the cerebral cortex, while the outside region contains neurons. Its job is to keep posture, balance, and equilibrium while coordinating voluntary muscle movements. The cerebellum's functions in intellect, emotion, and social interaction, as well as its potential roles in addiction, autism, and schizophrenia, are the subject of recent studies. 3. Diencephalon. This is at the bottom of your brain. The hypothalamus, thalamus, and epithalamus make up this structure. Your body's activities, including your hunger, body temperature, sleep-wake cycle, and hormone production, are all balanced by the hypothalamus. The thalamus distributes impulses to the brain and is important in consciousness, memory, and sleep control. Long-term memory, emotion, and behavior are all influenced by the limbic system, which is connected to various sections of the brain by the epithalamus. 4. Brainstem. This joins your brain and spinal cord and is situated at the base of your brain. And it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. If you have other answers to the question, is the brain a muscle? Don't hesitate to share them with us in the comment section.